If it's your first time to come across this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, because in this channel we are just talking about forex, the financial market, because I'm an intermediate trader. And the purpose of this video is to do a weekly market breakdown analysis. If you have been following me for a while, to my channel, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, I announced that I will be doing every end of the week a market breakdown, weekly market breakdown analysis, explain to you in detail how the price action play during this week and the potential, doing a top-down analysis, a probability top-down analysis on the next coming week price action. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Let's go to my chart. Let's go straight to my chart. I would like to share with you and share my own opinion and my own views about the market for the next coming week. Today is 24 January 2026. Let's go straight to the chart. I am now in my chart. Let's start with gold, the weekly, the daily time frame, because and as you can see, the daily time frame is clearly massively bullish. There's nothing to say, and we have this demand, potential demand, where we grab some inducement liquidity here to take some liquidity, we push up. And for me, based off what is happening with the on the United States, Donald Trump trying to take the going line, price may continue to be bullish to the upside. The market was clearly bullish this week, and you can see the market was clearly bullish, and I'm expecting price to keep continue bullish, or maybe we see some pullback before we can continue to the upside by next week. Let's see. I'm only looking to long by next week. On the H4, you can see that the market was clearly, markets keep doing anti-ash every day. We have a fresh demand here. By when price break the structure around this zone, I was expecting price to pull back, to create a pullback inside this demand before we could see a potentially push to the upside again. But no, gold just doesn't do like that. But gold just keep moving one side to one direction, doesn't pull back. Small pullback, push to the upside. Small pullback, push to the upside. And for this week, the market, when the market open on Tuesday or Monday, it was on Monday, market was around here. Market open around here, and with a very big gap, because the institution like a banks, lot of big guys are buying. They buy currently. Most of those big institutions, they are buying gold because it helps them to secure their I will say their currency or something like that. I don't know exactly. I don't know how to explain, but it's something like that, because that's why the market opens with a very big gap through upside. And by this week, you can see we have a new break of structure. On gold, we have a new break of structure. Price create a break. You have this break of structure here, and price may pull back inside this fresh demand by Monday. This fresh demand here. Fresh demand, price may pull back here, continue to the upside. There are two solutions. Price can open on Sunday evening, continue to the upside, or the other hand, price may open and pull back inside this demand, potentially now continue to the downside, or price could pull back inside this demand, create a reaction, induce a lot of buyer and push to the downside to mitigate this H4 demand below, because now this low could react as inducement in front of this PY. There's a key potential where price could move, and I'm already prepared for that. Let's go to the H1 time frame. H1 time frame, because here's my medium time frame on gold. I used H1 as my medium time frame, and I missed a lot of trade during this week. And market open, you can see at the one market open on Monday. You have Monday was a range price action. And around Tuesday, in Asian session, price massively continue pushing to the upside, and I eventually found the opportunity here, but I did not take advantage of the opportunity. And around Wednesday, market open, grab this inducement, pull back here at the extreme, take out this. We have this PY, unmitigated PY, and price could also push more lower, sweep this low, because this is where we have a post in price of the institution, and this from here where the institution get in more aggressive to continue pushing the price, and they have their lot of stoppers for the price could easily push lower, grab liquidity before continue to upside. You can see, and that Wednesday I missed a lot of good trade. go on Friday, on Wednesday. It was here. Yeah, I did not take this trade because it was not in my time zone. It was already out of my session windows, my time windows trading, and I missed another trade here because I refined it on Tuesday, on Wednesday, and on Thursday. I refined on Wednesday. I missed an opportunity buy here, and I got stopped at around here. On Thursday, I got entry here, and I missed this one too. This one for me is not a good trade because I was expecting more confirmation, and I did not get those confirmation. For me, it's not a good trade for me. It's not a good trade. As you can see, we are just keeping buying on gold. This is everything for gold, and price we just keep looking to long, looking at the H1 time frame. You have some swept. You have this low. You have swept this low. Price swept this low. Price swept this low. We could potentially look into long now. Now I'm potentially looking to long because, yeah, looking to long. We don't have any demand mitigate. We don't have any unmitigated demand below here, and just keeping looking to long. Let's go to GBPUSD, and GBPUSD daily time frame. As you can see, we are on daily time frame. Price action was crazy on. First of all, price was bearish after price mitigated supply from the left here on this up supply. You grab some inducement in front of the supply from the left. As you can see, we break the structure here, then seller get in, push the price, and we shift bearish from bullish to bearish, and we had a demand. We had a demand, a supply here, a daily supply. This daily supply price pull back after mitigate this demand. Price pull back, mitigate the supply, push back again to the downside. It was a clear confirmation that was about to continue to the downside. Eventually price push at the extreme of the daily demand here, opposing demand, reaction, lot of rejection, which shift bullish, reaction from the current supply, daily supply, reaction again, demand, supply was not more strong to keep pushing the price down, and demand kick in, the overpower the supply and push the price to the upside. Let's break it down, and let me break down. We will open on Monday here, and we can see on the H4 it was on Sunday, price open. You have a nice sweep here, a nice sweep. By sweep, you can see rejection massively. We have some this liquidity sweep. Yeah, it did not eventually, no, it did not sweep. Sorry, price did not sweep here. This here, this low, price swept this low. We swept this low. Reaction massively. We chalk bullish. We came back inside the daily supply. Reaction, lot of sweep. Demand was very strong. Looking to long, it was valid. Eventually, I was just keeping looking to a short because I feel like market was sitting in the supply, and supply was still remain in control to keep pushing the price. Eventually, no, there are some scenario, there are some signs that price will just keep moving to the downside, and I did not see it on time, and you can see price swept again this low. For me, when price swept this low, I was seeing that as a bullish chalk, confirm that market could continue to downside. But no, I was not seeing the price action. I wasn't reading the market on the good way. Market keep pushing up. We chalk bullish again. As price when the price chalk bullish here, I have a confirmation that you are looking to buy. This one was eventually swept or internal range sesa liquidity. Price swept this low, and we continue to the outside. And you can see Thursday price was clearly we keep bullish. On Friday, reaction from this opposing supply. And opposing supply here, reaction, you can see we have a beautiful reaction here. Opposing price, demand kick again, continue pushing the price, and on Friday massive reacting again from this supply, just a one opposing price, and demand was also more strong to keep pushing. By next week, we are keep looking to buy until we take out this side. By next week, just everything on go on GBPUSD, and on Friday on M15, there's nothing really to say because market was. I got a entry here around on Thursday, but eventually I stopped at break even before the market could potentially move to the upside. You can see it's how the M15 look, and we are just keep looking to buy. I will just looking to buy Monday at London session. Okay, guys, let's go to EURUSD. Here we are on EURUSD on the daily time frame. Eventually, also why we are looking now is for price to break to continue buying because price is very showing us that demand are more stronger in control, and just looking to buy at this point because You can see the last time we react from the demand when we have this bullish movement, price react from the opposing supply, we grab some buy side liquidity, price shift bearish. Here we remain bearish, and eventually price came back at this demand below. A reaction for this demand, push back inside the recent supply. Price pull back inside the recent supply, and what happened? Price pull back inside the recent supply fair, demand supply continue pushing the price to the downside, and eventually we have a bearish chalk here. You can see we have this bearish chalk. Price keep pushing lower. For me, I was expecting price to keep pushing lower until grab this inducement, because we still have liquidity here. We still have this liquidity here. We still have this liquidity. For me, it was a available liquidity. It was a available liquidity for me to target. We have this liquidity here and mitigate this demand below before we could see a potential push to the outside. I was wrong, and once price grabbed this liquidity, this swept this low, grab a lot of buy side sell liquidity here and shift bullish with strong momentum. I was now only bullish. Now at this point I was just bullish, and you can see, let's go and I will show you. Friday, it was on Monday price open. Let's go to the H4 time frame, because this is where I start my analysis normally. The H4 market was clearly bearish. You can see with me, everybody can agree with me that it was only bearish here. Short as high probability at this point, and short at high probability. The market open Monday move, reacting from the opposite supply, from the supply reaction, just a reaction. It was a reaction point. After one, the supply fed, the market they push massively the price to the outside, and the H4 internal now shift from bearish to bullish, and the order flow was clearly bullish now. Looking now for long was a high probability, and we still had the supply from here. That why I was looking to short again, but no, it did not work out. But demand was still in control, and you can see we have a nice play, a push to the downside. For me, I was expecting price to push, at least come back inside this H4 demand before we can see potentially push low. I was wrong. Market just keep massively boom and push to the upside. So when market break like this, shift bullish here, and with a massive momentum like this, I knew that there is no way for price to pull back again. Price will just keep remain bullish until you take out the week low, and you can see price just keep moving on Friday massively. The potential where I'm looking to play the price action next week is from this demand. We have this demand, and also aware that price may not pull back here, because I was just looking at my medium time frame, just keep looking for long on the medium time frame, and I know we could see a pullback here. We also have this. We have this buy to sell to buy week. We have this one here. We may looking to long until we take out this week high. Just keep looking to long. Okay guys, this is everything for this video. Let's go and look at the M15. You can see the M15 was clearly bearish, and you see how I mark we shift from bearish to bullish here. Everything was very crazy here. Shift from bearish to bullish. Order flow was clearly massively. See, it was bearish here, we shift bullish here. On Friday I took a sell here. If you watched my video yesterday on journal review, I dropped a video yesterday. I explained about why I took the sell here, because I was trading with the order flow, and I was very aggressive. Eventually price push lower below, and I just keep looking too long before keep moving upside to outside. Okay, this is everything for this video. If you like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you on next week, at the end of next week.